In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Progressive Renters Insurance, ensuring the process is as smooth and straightforward as possible. Whether you found a more suitable deal elsewhere, moved to a new location, or simply no longer require renters insurance, this guide is tailored to help you cancel your Progressive policy correctly and avoid any potential pitfalls. So, let's get started. First things first, it's essential to review your policy details carefully. Before moving forward with the cancellation, make sure you have your policy number handy along with the coverage and date. These important details are accessible either by logging into your Progressive online account or by checking your most recent billing statement. Having this information ensures you don't accidentally lose coverage prematurely, especially if you are in the process of transitioning to a different insurance provider. Next, decide how you wish to proceed with canceling your renter's insurance, as Progressive offers 3 convenient options: by phone, online, or by mail. Let's delve into each of these methods in detail. Canceling by phone is the quickest route to take. Simply dial Progressive's main customer service line at 1-888-671-44405, where representatives are available around the clock every day of the week. Be ready to provide your full name, your policy number, and the date on which you'd like the cancellation to take effect. They might inquire about your reason for leaving, so honesty is always the best policy. Just communicate clearly and respectfully. Once your request is confirmed, they will process your cancellation immediately. If you're someone who prefers not to make phone calls, canceling online through your Progressive account is a great alternative. To do this, visit progressive.com and log into your account. Click on your renter's insurance policy, then search for an option like Cancel Policy or End Coverage. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your desired cancellation date and await an email confirmation from Progressive. Finally, if you prefer traditional mail, canceling this way is an option too. Compose a written request that includes your full name, address, policy number, and the cancellation date you wish to propose. Be sure to sign it and send it to Progressive Insurance at P.O. Box 3160, Tampa, FL 336313260. Once they receive your request, your policy will be canceled and you'll receive confirmation by mail or email. After canceling, check on whether you're eligible for a refund or need to make a final payment. If you prepaid your policy, you might qualify for a refund for unused coverage days. Conversely, if you owe any amount, settling this is crucial prior to finalizing the cancellation. Monitor your bank account or billing statement within the following days to verify the transaction is completed. Lastly, make it a point to hold on to your cancellation confirmation, whether it arrives by email or post. This serves as a crucial document should any billing or coverage disputes arise later on. If you're relocating, contemplate transferring your coverage or exploring new renters insurance options. Comparing rates can be insightful, as Progressive might even provide you with competitive quotes to keep your business. And that's a wrap. You've effectively navigated through the process of canceling your Progressive renters insurance. If this tutorial proved helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful how-to guides and finance tips. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.